Hey, what up? What's going on here today? Tonight. I am heading to 7-Eleven to do one of my 7-Eleven runs here. Gonna go there, fill up the Bubba mug, and also pick up some snacks. And it's very, very cold right now. It's like minus. Well, my thing says minus 26. The roads are icy. Ooh, what is it? I need to make a U-turn or what? Ay. Oh, there's the crossing, jaywalking. U-turn, whatever. So, minus 26. Probably that's what the car says. Wind chill is probably most likely minus 33, so it's pretty cold, but since I haven't driven the car all day, I might as well drive it for you, kind of warm it up a little bit during the cold and all that. So we're going to head to a 7-Eleven. Now I don't want to go to the one on the north, or maybe I might go south. I haven't decided quite yet, but it's almost like going out for the run, and so we're going to enjoy the drive to 7-Eleven. And you probably noticed from last year there was hardly no snow last year, and as you can see we got a lot more snow this winter than the last 7-Eleven run I did a year ago that I recorded. Not actually more over a year ago. So yeah. A lot cooler too, so hope you enjoyed the channel here. This is my first person view you guys get to see here. Looks like 7-Eleven is busy, but although there's Domino's there now, so yeah, a lot busier. I forgot something here. Gotta bring the mug in. There. Hello. A little bag of chips here. So what are we going to get here? A bigger bag of chips. Oh, here we are. Over here. Oh, what do you think I'm going to get? Not really sales on right now. Anyway, one right here. 449 and 800 points. You know what? So snack on these. And we'll go over to the already. what am I up for today? Sounds like she's almost out of. Like there's air in this system. Yes. Thank you. No receipt. There we go. Yep. Alrighty. There we go. Woo! Ah, she's cold outside. I got my party mix here to drink, eat, I mean, and the Bubba. The Bubba's ready to go, and I can make it home without spilling it all over the place. It's work on like center of gravity. Alrighty. Alrighty. Home to go wash the A-Team. Just holding on to my Bubba while I turn the corner so I don't lose it across the throw it all over the place. there we are. I hope you enjoyed that drive to 7-Eleven and back home there, and I'll see you with the first person view. So I'll see you guys in the next video.